Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Rishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. Let's do a general collective reading for sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This reading is all about how people see you. It can be friends, family, how you see your own self and the people around you other than your family friends. So let's see. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and the messages are not for you. So do like, share, subscribe. I have already shuffled these cards. Let's get started. So, Leo, what Leo thinks about, okay, what friends think about you? Wheel of the Year, Knight of Chalices, Five of Chalices. Okay, your friends think that time always favors you, that your friends think about you. There is someone who always offers a cup of love to you and you always pour them out. That is what I can see. Like, you always disappointed with them, you don't see any future with them. I can see all these things. Here you don't have any greenery on it, it's a long path to go, so you think that this is a waste of time. That is what, and this person keeps on offering you love offers. Oh, glaze is there, okay. So they think that you're very lucky in love. Each or every time some or the other person keeps on offering you love and you keep disappointing them and you are always sad about it. Okay. So how your family feels? King of Pentacle, Ten of Pentacle, Queen of Chalices. Okay. Your family thinks that it's your age now. You are very loving person, of course, you are a loving person. Now it's your age to get settled with a stable person and have a long term commitment. That is what your family thinks about you, like your sister, brother, siblings, mom, dad, and all that. They think that way. So, what do you think about yourself? You, Queen of Wands, Four of Chalices, and Nature. Here, you are manifesting something. You are asking from universe. What are you asking? I'm such a good person, I'm a confident person, I want whatever offers I'm getting disappointment. Please send me an offer which will match myself, match my what to say, attributes, and so that I can celebrate. That is what you are thinking, and you are willing to wait for that. Here are a lot of four people might have offered you their love, but you have rejected each, and some of the other people keep an eye on you also. I can see this what, that insect here. So, but you are disappointed in those offers. You are not happy. You think you are a very good looking and nice person, confident person. You believe in wisdom. This lady is little bit old, but she has all the wisdom and she's very confident. She is having her own place in life. So what you want is, you want someone to match up your energy. The offers you are getting are very childish and you're not satisfied with that. That is what I can see. So you are manifesting from nature, from universe. Even you are doing some spell works, I guess. Okay, if you are not doing, don't. If it resonates, it resonates. If it doesn't, just leave it. Okay. So what other people think about you? Other people think that the world tree, page of wands, ace of wands. What other people, like your colleagues and other than your family and friends, think about you? They think that if you don't find someone, if you find little bit of negativity in some or the other person, you just run away. That's good actually. And you are a person who is very magical. Can you see this wand in that kid's hand? But they think that you are a bit childish yet, and you have your own innocence and magic. with which you can have a passionate start wherever you want to. That is what it means, that each and every person other than your family and friends think that you are a very magical person and you can have a as many whatever you want you can have in your life. You can have a passionate start with anyone you want to have. That is what your colleagues and other people think. What do you think about yourself? Okay. Holy King, two of chalices, eight of chalices. I don't know, you are so confused. You you are searching your own soul. See, hermit, the Holy King is a hermit card. Here is that you are just looking for spiritual light. You don't know whether you should go for a lover or you should just walk away from everyone. You want others to see that it is your decision and you need some time to think over it. That is what you want others to see. what are, how others should see you, what you want that others should see that it is my life question. I will offer love to someone or not, or I will walk away. That is my question. Why you have to interfere? That is what I will wait and I'll think and I'll just do it. That is what you're thinking. Anyway, so what actually is happening? Three of chalices, six of pentacles, ace of pentacles. Actually you are happy with your friends because they give you equal give and take. You are enjoying with your friends, you are enjoying your life, and you are worried here. Okay, eight of ms, you are worried in night. When I will have this new start with whom? When will I have this house? That is what you think. So if you don't have any person in your life right now, if you are not, if you are having any relationship where you are confused about what that person thinks about you, let's see what that person thinks about you. What is their mindset about you? Okay, coffin, 10. Okay, this other person is getting sick over your decision because they are tired of waiting. I think you have made them wait a lot. They want a loving relationship from you, lovers, but now they think that you are ending things with them. That is what they are thinking. So this was your reading. I hope you like this kind of reading. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.